So we have given 7 inputs. They will give around 7 functions from which we should do the function of in a given list. So for example, they have given insert or print or remove, append are some of the functions they will give. 7 functions like this. So they will like, I'll show you the input. Insert 0 and 5. 0 is the position. 0 here is the position and 5 is the number which should be added to the list. So here 12. 12 is the number of inputs they are giving. In the code 12. 12 they will give until here, okay. 12 is the number of inputs they were there, n is the number of inputs they are giving. So let us start. They are asking to insert 05 and print some number, remove some number, append some number. These are some functions, and in the end when they ask for printing, we should print this 6 5 10, which is like at 0th place it should be 6 and at first place it should be 10. In this situation we will be printing. So here they have given the input. We should create a list. In these lists we will be printing everything, which is PRT. For I in range n, this is for loop in range n. N is the number of inputs they are giving. S is the input they are given. Like S is this one, input 05. It is a string, okay. It is a list. We will be splitting it into 3 numbers. Like 0 is this, first one is this, second one is this, 5 is the second one. So now si equals to int of si. We are converting everything into int, like s1 and s2 to int. If s0 equals to insert, if s0 equals to insert, here s0 is insert. There are 2 functions, s1 and s2, to be selected. Here prt, which is the list, and dot insert S1 and S2 will be inserted into it. S1 and S2. S1 specifies the position and S2 is the number. So now if else, we are creating if loop here. The main problem or wrong thing we do is here we will just keep the whole thing into the for loop. This is the biggest mistake. So just take it out of for loop. Check it once if you do a wrong function, wrong process. This all should be out of for loop, and we will create everything into if. So if insert is here and append is only have one value, and remove also have only one value. Here print does not have any value. This just prints the list. And sort, here sort does not have any value, it sorts the whole list. And pop is the thing which removes the last thing. And reverse in here reverses the whole list. So let us run this once, and I'll show you once. This is hard to understand, so just check out once or thrice or 2 to 3 videos, you will get perfect answer for this. But yeah, this is the input they have given, and this is the output we are getting, and this is the expected output.